English speaking course.
Phrasal verb. Lesson 1. A check. Last night my husband took me out for dinner and a movie. My husband would never do that. Bob always lets me down. How is your husband these days? He's still like that. He's always thinking about work and making money. Hang in there. I don't think that is bad. He must earn a lot of money. Yes, but he's extremely stingy. How stingy is he? He hides his money very carefully. He rarely spends it on our households, the kids, me, not even himself. Okay, now that's kind of weird. No matter how much money he earns, he just keeps it, saves it, and never uses it. He loves his money more than anything. Calm down. No, I can't. I get annoyed every time I think about it. Okay, fine. Just tell me. Last Saturday, we were on our way home, and his car broke down. He decided to walk instead of taking a taxi. Is it near your house? Almost 1 hour walk. I was wearing high heels at the time. Why didn't you take a taxi home alone? I forgot my wallet. How could he do that to you? Going home by taxi isn't too expensive. There's more. It was 11 p.m. one night. A burglar broke into our house. My husband saw him, then the burglar quickly took $10 from the table and ran away.
Huh?
Bob chased him 5 kilometers only to get the $10 back. Really? Yes. Did Bob get that $10 back? The burglar was so tired he gave up and returned $10 to Bob. Wow, he really did it. In entire 10 years together, I almost never saw him buying anything new. He acts as if when he passed away he could carry money with him. I give in if he really thinks so. Linda! I'm here. When I pass away, I want to be buried with all my money. I want to bring them to the afterlife. Oh, Bob. When I was young, there were days when only sleep could help me forget about hunger. When I grow up, I still went through a lack of money issues myself. In the first days of working as an employee, I used to cycle 2 hours a day to work. I stayed up late for 3 months to run sales and think about how to sell. Please, bury me with all my money. Only then can I close my eyes and leave this world. Are you sure about that? Please, Linda. I will have a good life with my money after I pass away. Okay, Bob, as you wish. Linda! Yes? At the funeral, you put a suitcase inside Bob's coffin. What is that? Bob wanted to take all his money with him when he passed away. Did you really take all of Bob's money and put it in his coffin? Yes. Really? I promised him, so I did. Unbelievable. Well, actually, I transferred all of Bob's money into my account. Then I wrote a check with the face value of that money and put it in his coffin. Lesson 2. We are divorcing. Hi, Josh. Dad? Hey, what are you doing? I'm warming up before working out. It's 6 a.m. Why you call so early? Oh, sorry. I shouldn't call you at this time. No, I didn't mean that. What's wrong, Dad? How are you these days? I'm great, Dad. You said you work in the design department, right? Yes, I'm the head of design department now. I manage artists and graphic designers. That's great. Do you like your job? Yeah, I love it. I'm proud of you. Thanks, Dad. So, what were you calling me about? You and your sister haven't been back for a long time. I'm sorry. I'm too busy. I have something important to tell you. Okay, Dad, tell me. We had an argument. You and Mom? Yes. So I slept over at Uncle Joe's house last night. And I thought back to the past. I decided to divorce her. Wait! What? No! She also agreed. We're going to court for a divorce. No, wait! Don't do it, Dad! You two rarely argue. So why? That's just what you think. The truth is we argued a lot. I don't think I can put up with her anymore. What did you two argue about? She always looks down on me, and so many other problems. I'm so tired. Dad, we will solve this problem together, okay? No, son. I thought it over before making my final decision. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Help me tell Stacy about this. See you. Dad, wait! Dad! Hey Josh, it's 6:20 a.m. Why you call so early? They broke up. Who broke up? Dad and Mom. What? Mom and Dad will divorce? What are you talking about? Who tells you that? Dad just called me to say he couldn't put up with Mom anymore. They've decided to get a divorce. Why so suddenly? Last month they were still fine. Are you sure? Well, I guess. I was so busy, I haven't called them for a long time. Yeah, we haven't visited them for a long time either. So this happened without us both knowing about it? Last Christmas, instead of staying with them, I went on a trip with my friends. This summer, they asked us to get together and have a barbecue at the beach. But I refused because I went on holiday with my company. I also didn't join in. How long has it been since our family got together? I can't even remember anymore. That's why we know nothing about their problems. They can't get a divorce. We have to do something. Let's visit them and solve this problem together. You're right, Stacy. Thanksgiving is coming this weekend. I will arrange my work to come home with them. Me too. I'll call Dad right now. Hi, Dad. It's me, Stacy. Hi, Stacy. Dad, listen. I'm sorry that I haven't visited you and Mom recently. Anyway, Josh and I will visit you this Thanksgiving. Let's have dinner. We can resolve all the problems together, okay? We have nothing to resolve anymore. You and Mom can't divorce. Don't do it. No, don't even do anything until we come home this weekend. Promise, Dad? Whatever. See you. They are coming this Thanksgiving. Great. So what will we tell them at Christmas, honey? Let's review the phrasal verbs that appear in this video. Lesson 1. 1. Take somebody out. Pay for somebody to go somewhere with you. Example. Last night, my husband took me out for dinner and a movie. Number 2. Let somebody down. To disappoint someone by failing to do what you agreed to do or were expected to do. Example. Bob always lets me down. Number 3. Hang in. Stay positive. Example. Hang in there. That's not bad either. Number 4. Calm down. To stop feeling upset, angry, or excited, or to stop someone feeling this way. Example: you need to calm down. Number 5. Break down. If a machine or a vehicle breaks down, it stops working. Example: last Saturday, we were on our way home and his car broke down. Number 6. Break into something. To enter a building or car to steal something. Example: last month, a burglar broke into our house. Number 7. Run away. Leave unexpectedly. Escape. Example: my husband saw him and he quickly took $10 from the table and ran away. Number 8. Get something back. Receive something you had before to obtain something again after loss or separation. Example: Bob chased him 5 kilometers only to get $10 back. Number 9. Give up. Stop trying. Example: the burglar was so tired, he gave up and returned $10 to Bob. 10. Pass away. To die. Example: he acts as if when he passed away, he could carry money with him. Number 11. Give in. Cease fighting or arguing and surrender. Example: I give in to his stinginess. Number 12. Go through. Undergo a difficult period or experience. Example: until I grew up, I also went through a lack of money issues myself. Number 13. Stay up. To go to bed later than usual. Example: I stayed up late for 3 months to run sales and think about how to sell. Lesson 2. Number 1. Warm up. Prepare body for exercise. Example: I'm warming up before working out. Number 2. Work out. Exercise. Example: I'm warming up before working out. Number 3. Sleep over. Stay somewhere for the night. Example: I slept over at Uncle Joe's house that night. Number 4. Think back to. Remember. Example: and I thought back to the past. Number 5. Put up with. Tolerate. Example: I don't think I can put up with her anymore. Number 6. Look down on somebody. To feel that someone is less important than you or does not deserve respect. Example: she always looks down on me. Number 7. Think something over. Consider something carefully. Example: I thought it over before making my final decision. Number 8. Break up. If a marriage breaks up or 2 people in a romantic relationship break up, their marriage or their relationship ends. Example: Mom and Dad broke up. Number 9. Get together. Meet. Example: this summer they asked us to get together and have a barbecue at the beach. Number 10. Join in. To become involved in an activity with other people. Example: I also didn't join in.